Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share them from your PC. At first, just open up your browser, go to Google and search for Google Drive. Go to the first link, click on Go to Drive. Here, right-click, click on New, make a folder and give it any name. I'm going to name it Photos. Wait for the folder to be created. Go inside the folder, right-click, click on File Upload, and select the pictures you want to upload. And just wait for the pictures to be uploaded. After everything has been uploaded, click here, go to Share, click on Share, and from here you can add people using their emails, or you can just copy the link here. Make sure the option anyone with link is selected here. Just copy link, click on Done. Now you can share this link anywhere, on Messenger, on Facebook, or anywhere, and people will be able to access your photos using this link. Just wait for it to load. There you go. And that is how to upload photos to Google Drive and share them from your PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.